Transcription number 1, part 1, dictation at 30 words per minute. Now, sir, honorable members will recall that the bill was introduced in the House of the People on the 2nd September 1953. It has had a long history, and in one form or another it has been before the public since the end of 1949. In the statement of objects and reasons, the various stages through which the bill has passed since 1946 have been summarized, and I need not recapitulate on this occasion the circumstances in which the then government of India took the decision in early 1946 to initiate an inquiry into the reform of our company law.